This 2016 Forest River FR3 32DS is a Class A RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 10 and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features Bunk Over Cab. This 2016 Forest River FR3 32DS is built on a FR3 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.